For hypersonic applications, the environment is a very high heat, high stressing environment, and additive manufacturing has allowed us to provide complicated design solutions that we need to meet those environment requirements easily, while also allowing us to remain light enough for flight for those types of environments. Additive manufacturing is simpler, quicker, whereas traditional, there's a lot more touch time. The lead time to get those types of materials for hypersonic applications are typically more exotic types of materials that take longer time to procure and get here before you even start. What excites me about additive manufacturing is just the ability we have now to get these complicated designs that previously have not been manufacturable are now really manufacturable. It changes your mentality a little bit. Back when I was an engineer in school, everything had to be designed for the manufacturing abilities that we had at that time. And now, really, the sky's the limit.